How to get Midjourney discount promo codes. Midjourney is a subscription-based AI art platform, and unlike retail store, it does not regularly issue public discount codes or promo vouchers. Most of the time, pricing is fixed on their official site. However, there are still a few legitimate ways to save money or access discounts. First is to go ahead and look for official Midjourney promotions. Midjourney sometimes runs limited promotions such as early bird pricing when new plans launch. So as you can see in here, you can also access the vouchers or promo codes on websites such as dealspotter.com. So this type of websites will allow you to view the list of promo codes that you can use for Midjourney and other platforms. You can view the expiration date of each of these promo codes and the description of the promo codes. You can also check for official channels such as follow Midjourney's Discord and their official website for announcements. Second thing you can do is to avail the student or educational discounts. Midjourney has offered student discounts in the past through verified academic email address. If you're a student or educator, check their Discord announcements or support page for eligibility. Third is to avail bundle deals. Some creative platforms or communities occasionally bundle Midjourney credits with other services. So you can do that. And that is how you can basically get Midjourney discount promo codes.